If you own one of LG's soundbar systems with a point 1 in the name, the point 1 refers to the subwoofer, a special second speaker bundled with your soundbar to add extra kick and power to your TV and movie watching and your music. It's a wireless subwoofer, which means that it works with the soundbar but without the need to run a cable between the two. This gives you greater flexibility of where to place the subwoofer and makes for a simpler, more attractive setup. You'll want to position the subwoofer with the LG logo facing out, and ideally about 6 to 12 inches from the wall, or even in a corner, as the sound bouncing off of the walls can significantly enhance the performance. Once you have it where you want it and plugged into AC power, you'll need to pair it with the soundbar. This is an extremely quick, automated process. The red light on the front of the subwoofer means that it is in standby mode. The next time you power on the soundbar, you will see the red light turn to a blinking green as the subwoofer works to establish the wireless connection. And then solid green means that it's successfully linked with the soundbar. That's it! Right out of the box, the subwoofer works at a preset volume level that many people will enjoy. But if you want more or less of the audible subwoofer effect, press the woofer level button on the remote. Then use the volume up-down arrows to find a level that's right for you. Don't be afraid to experiment with less subwoofer for soft music or more for big action movies. Just keep in mind that a subwoofer can move a lot of air and create a lot of boom, so try not to wake the neighbors.